Have you ever put a ton of research and work into a project, launched it, only to discover that you made a critical mistake? In today's video, we're going to talk about my very public mistake and how we move forward with accurate information and cited sources. Hey there, bestie. I'm Michelle of YesMichelle Crochets, and as your crochet bestie, I am here to help you build a fiber arts foundation that actually makes sense. This is the Cozy Encyclopedia, Episode 5, Frog. In the previous Episode 5, I made a critical error, and I am not one to allow a mistake to linger. I call a thing, I learn from my mistakes, and I restart. Today, that is exactly what I'm doing. I want to give a special thank you to each and every one of you who pointed out the mistake that I made and cited resources that I could use for more accurate information. I am a student of crochet, just like you, and I found those informational spots to be quite helpful. I even added a new book for me to take a look at. But having said that, I want to be transparent and let you know how the mistake was made. You see, I learned to crochet by reading pattern books, and very few of them actually show the third loop when it comes to half double crochet. Along the way, I taught myself where to place my hook and where to make that stitch. My version netted me what I was looking for and what I wanted, but that's not an excuse. It's just my experience as a self-taught crocheter with over 25 years of experience. What that should tell you is mistakes can still happen and learning can still be done. Now, I can go on and on about what went wrong, but I don't have time for that, and I'm guessing you don't either. So let's frog the memory of it all and start fresh next Wednesday at 2 p.m. Central, where I will redo the half double crochet video for you, both left and right-handed version. Now, in the meantime, if you're enjoying what I've done with this to be public and transparent about my mistake, leave me a facepalm emoji in the conversation below. And if you need a little more time with me, and I hope you do, join me this Saturday at 9 a.m. Central Time for our Stitch Circle and Chat. That is, of course, where we're going to bring our whips to the table, a delicious drink, and we're going to answer a few trivia questions. I try to make that time fun, engaging, and productive. So I'm looking forward to having you there. Of course, as I always ask with every one of my videos, please like this video. And if you think others need to see it because maybe they saw my mistake, go ahead and hype this video as well. Finally, I want you to remember that I love you. I thank you for trusting me not only to be transparent, but to help you make yarn cozy. And until next time, take care. Have some fun today. Bye-bye.